Congress leaders defended Rahul Gandhi after excerpts from Obama's political memoir, A Promised Land, were revealed. Tariq Anwar said about Obama's impression of Rahul Gandhi that Obama and Rahul Gandhi must have met briefly, probably 8 to 10 years back when he came here as US President. To assess someone in few meetings is tough. Rahul Gandhi's personality has changed since then. He's gained a lot of experience. Meanwhile, Rahul Gandhi had in 2017 met Obama when he was on his last visit to India. While RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav claimed on Thursday that rejected postal ballots might have made the difference between victory and defeat for the Mahagathbandhan, Election Commission records show that in only one assembly constituency in Bihar, Hilsa, the winning margin was less than the number of invalid postal ballots. And following the RJD candidate's request, all the postal ballots in this seat, and not just the rejected ones, were recounted and found to be in order. Nitish Kumar rejected the arrogant label in an interaction with the media after the state election results. He also denied that his months of silence during the coronavirus lockdown contributed to public disenchantment against him and his Janata Dal United. Nitish Kumar is set to be Chief Minister of Bihar for the 7th time, but with a greatly diminished status in the ruling alliance after finishing at number 3 with just 41 seats. People Alliance for Gupkar Declaration meeting is underway at Mehbooba Mufti's residence ahead of District Development Council elections in Jammu and Kashmir. Congress leader GM Monga told the media that we are part of the alliance, so we'll discuss seat sharing. We are preparing for the polls. The centre has further tightened rules for organizations seeking foreign funding. The new rules, notified on Wednesday, state that any organization seeking registration under the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act or FCRA must have operated for at least 3 years and spent a minimum amount of Rs 15 lakhs on its core activities for the benefit of society during the last 3 financial years. Actor Arjun Rampal arrived at the Narcotics Control Bureau's Mumbai office at around 11 a.m. for questioning in an anti-drugs probe that began with inquiries into the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput in June. Rampal will be questioned in connection with alleged drug use in the Hindi film industry, an official told the media. India's main holiday season, culminating on Saturday with Diwali, the Festival of Lights, appears to be giving a much-needed boost to demand, with online retail sales to business activity indicators signalling Asia's third-largest economy is recovering.